Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm NFX and today we're back at Goodwood Kartways for our very first race of the season. The green flags are out and we're on our way racing. Today we're starting in P5, so middle of the pack here. Pretty exciting. Unfortunately didn't get a good qualifying, but luckily competing in the top 5 here at the very least. P6 on the outside of turn number 5, trying to make a move. I go very hard into turn number 5, going over the curb, seeing if there's any chance of pushing forward. This one, I'll be honest with you guys, a very tough race for myself, and I can't really explain why. Maybe if anyone's interested or has some comments, please add it. But I find that in that final corner, throughout the race, I would just lose too much time to these guys at the frontier, and as you can see, they're pulling away from me. And this is only lap 2, by the way. Funny enough, I feel like I'm making a lot more speed throughout the corners, but they're also battling as well. So I'm really praying for this race and making sure that they keep battling and they're fighting it out. Because look at that top 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 going into these last final corners. They're neck and neck with each other. And mind you, this is like the first race too, and like it just sucks how big of a gap that I had racing against these guys. But you know, what can you really do here in this situation other than, you know, keep the folks behind you at bay? For myself, I think I try a couple different lines going into turn number 4. Ones that are a little bit more aggressive and on the curb, and then ones that are not so much. Same thing in turn number 6 there. As you can see, I go for the bump of the curb just to see if there's any more time I can really make up. P6 is right on my tail, I think, about now, and there's not much I can do but just sit here. I'm like using the shadow as reference, and especially because the shadows are pointed to the east end, and because the sun is set to the west there, it actually gives you such a great reference when you're driving in the evening time. Just something like if you do drive here, or really if you drive anywhere else, like something to notice and to use to your advantage, right? Especially like when you don't want to spend too much time looking behind you. But yeah, you can see, try to catch up to them there on the final corner, and then they just pick up so much speed. I think I could have do a little bit better on my exits and maybe optimizing for the straight line speed up into the second last corner. I think that's the maybe one fault I really had, but really, like, yeah, just had a difficult time this race, if I'm not gonna lie here. But yeah, super fun and excited to be back and posting videos, especially, you know, for the 2026 season. Yeah, super exciting. You can see P3, P4, they're like battling it ahead. And I just want to clarify, I got a new GoPro last time around, and so in this video I recorded like a brand new kind of angle, so this is a little less wide or angle than what you're used to. So just mind you, this will not be the same for other videos. I just kind of wanted to test the waters and see which one I like better. But you know, it's like a trial. You figure out what you like and don't like. We're right about, I believe, the midway point of the season. I'm recording the voice a little later, so I'd love to get an update to see how everyone else is doing throughout the season. And also, like, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. Even if you have as like background, you just want to see how you can get better, or, you know, see what you're doing different, and you know, catching my mistakes. Like, subscribe to the channel. Like, I hope this is like some fun content you can take and use, and just like, I guess, point reference to what you want to do in the future, how you race. So yeah, that's much appreciated. But yeah, let me know how you guys are doing throughout the season. Like, I'm curious to see and hear what how folks are driving, and how they're getting on with these carts. And then also, they recently changed their Goodwood recently changed their belts to chains instead of conventional belt that they had last year. So I don't know if anyone noticed a difference. So I'll keep in the comments, keep it open. So let me know what you think. I mean, going back to the race, we're on lap 8. There's really not much I can do in this situation. There's no one behind me, and we're coming up on the last lap of the session essentially, and you know, P2, P3, P4 are still dishing it out for this, you know, second and third place podium here, while P1 is just far ahead of the pack. The white flags come down, and now we're officially on the last lap, but it is crazy how these guys are going at it. And funny enough, like, nobody behind me, so I'm just kind of like watching this race from my my helmet here, and wow, some crazy carnage going on here between P2, P3, P4. And actually, there's a back marker there, as you can kind of see. P2 gets ahead, but P2 starts blocking some of the other guys from getting ahead, and then I was like, oh, maybe this is my chance. But not enough. I give the back marker a little bit of bump, letting them know I'm behind, and the checkered flags are out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you at the next race.